Hello friends, have you found out that sometimes when you import a CSV file into Excel, the dates are not formatted right? Like in this case where we have some of our dates formatted as text, that's why they are aligned to the left, and some of them are actually formatted right somehow and they are aligned to the right. In this other column, we have some of them aligned to the right and some of them aligned to the left as if they are text. What actually causes this and how can we fix it? You're welcome to my channel. My name is Blessing and it's my goal here to simplify tech concepts for you so that if you're finding anything difficult anytime you come here, we will simplify it for you and you will be glad you visited. So in this video, as I said earlier, we're going to look at how to format dates that are entered as text using the text to column function. How can we, any date that is entered as text, how can we use the text to column function to format that date properly? But the question is, why are some of the dates here actually formatted as text? Now, let me just give the best explanation I can give. If you see here, this is actually written as month, day, and year, right? Yes, these four actually are written as month, day, because the number in the center is bigger than the first one, right? So month, day, and year. Whereas in this case, it could be in both ways. It could be day, month, and year, or month, day, and year. But because the default setting of my system is day, month, and year, Excel takes this to be day, month, and year, even though I don't think that is how they were written originally. But Excel says this fits day, month, year, so it aligns it to the right, takes it to be text, as date, I beg your pardon, whereas others that don't fit that day, month, year format, they are formatted as text and aligned to the left. So how do we correct this? That's where text to column comes in. Yes, text to column has several other functions, but one of the functions of text to column is that we can use it to adjust dates, to get Excel to recognize all these entries as month, day, and year. But after recognizing them as month, day, and year, it will still rewrite them following the default setting of my system, which is actually day, month, and year. Same thing is going to happen here. So let's take particular note of this fourth. Is it the fourth? That's the one, F6. This item in F6. It is actually formatted as 8/12/2010. That's like 8th of December 2010. Even though my system recognizes that 8th of December 2010, when we reformat this, it's going to be changed. Let's just take note. So to get Excel to convert this everything here to text and to align all of them to everything here to date, I beg your pardon, and to format them, align them to the right, I click on this column, go to my data tab, select text to columns, and then go next, leave everything as it is again, and then go next. When I'm here, I select my dates, and then Excel is saying I am seeing everything as DMY, which is actually the reason why some of them, date, month, year, which is why some of them that don't fit date, month, year are aligned to the left as text. So I say no, recognize everything as month, day, year, but at the same time ensure that they are written in the format of my system, default format, which is day, month, and year. So I say finish, and once I do that, everything is changed. And remember this item we talked about, right? It was 8/12/2010 before, and it was aligned to the right, but now it is 12/8/2010. So it is written properly, which is actually 12th of August 2010, and just change the format a little bit, but it still had the same value as in the previous case, right, when it was 8/12/2010. But that actually was the format was, if I read it as day, month, it will be 8th of December 2010. But after I have formatted everything, it's now taking the right format, which is actually 12th of August 2010. So that's the importance of reformatting everything. So let's go back to this. I'll come to my data column, and then I say text to columns, next twice, and then I select date, and I say Excel recognize all of them as written in MDY, but rewrite them in the default format of my system, which is DMY. And when I say finish, same thing happens. Now I have this 12, 10, 0, and all like that. So let's just go to our home tab and see if they are all formatted as date. Yes, they are. And when you click the drop down, check your short date or your long date, it gives you the correct thing. So that's just how we use text to column to adjust our date or any date that is entered as text when you import your CSV file. Let me know if you have any question. Let me know if there is another way you do this. The comment section is open. Just send a message there and we will be very glad to respond. Please, before you leave, we will drop this table, a link to this table in the comment section, or rather in the description, I beg your pardon. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, just say something, and then hit the notification bell if you want to be notified of every time we drop a new video. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.